a call for idol worship. It means something made of stone or metal, but it is the picture of the footwear of our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The author of the Fazalul Amal, the Tablighi, he has written a book called Al-Atoor majmooa. In that book, he has written about 7 or 8 pages on the fuyooz and barkah associated with worshipping. You can say worshipping or venerating the picture of the footwear of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Uh, that means about this fuyooz and barkah associated with this footwear. It is there in Ashraf Ali Thambi's book, Tazkiratul Habib, and Aslam Qasimi's book, Sirat Halbiya, Volume 1. Blessing and this thing, Zakaria Kandhalvi has written in detail when to get up, what you have to recite, and this thing, and how to keep the footwear on your head, and what you have to say in this thing. All nonsense here. It is just like doing the arti or puja of the Hindus. May Allah save us from. And this, don't say it is a shirk. It is worse than shirk, what they are doing. Lahore, may Allah save us from all these nonsense things of the Sufis.